my dear God.
Yeah, and then you start it. Look at this. My googly eyes.
Oh, my
Ooh,
goodness.
now I'm a cat. Why aren't you anything? There you go.
Hey, you know what? They have googly eyes coming in the holiday catalog. I saw.
Yeah, I saw that too.
Colored googly eyes.
Whoa, I don't like that.
Ooh, that's
Why
scary.
can it just like not stop? Hello. Hi everyone. We are here on live a little bit early, sweating,
Kayla.
working out. A little mustache. We are coming to you live from our living room because this woman right here. Okay, quiet.
Shh.
This woman right here injured herself. Oh my gosh. She threw out her back.
This morning
Oh.
I've kind of been fighting with a little twinge in the back and my lower back.
Whoa.
And so
No.
Lord, what are you doing? As you can tell, Miss Kayla cannot keep her fingers off the buttons. Anyway, this morning I started work and I had to sneeze. I sneezed really hard and threw out my back.
Threw out her back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
threw it out.
I came down the stairs this morning on my way to work, and she was like, "Can you go grab my laptop? I can't work at my desk." So, unfortunately, since Mom cannot function anywhere besides this chair, this comfy little chair right here, rocking chair, we unfortunately will not be able to do our live tonight. Morning, Wendy.
Hi, Wendy. Good to see you.
So what we're doing instead is, since Mom can't sit or stand we're gonna try for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Especially since our lives are typically an hour. So we're gonna try to go live tomorrow at 7 p.m. Central Time.
Yeah. So, I was trying to work on it today. I went to the chiropractor right away in the morning. They worked my muscles and they cracked my back and all that kind of fun stuff. And I was doing okay. I've been trying to put, Tylenol and ibuprofen, doing that, switching and icing and all that kind of fun stuff. But there's no way I'd be able to sit through. I gotta do some crafting. No,
Yeah.
I'm really excited to do
But
crafting.
it's okay. So if you're watching this live, I'll comment here afterwards a link to our exclusive Stamping Before Anything Else Facebook group. We did a live in there yesterday, so we can make up like that. So you can watch that, and then we'll also see you tomorrow. Okay, so I'm hoping I'll be home by 7 o'clock Central Time. Because I have work, and then I'm supposed to be meeting up with some classmates to get ready for a presentation. So I'm praying, I'm hoping.
Thank you, Kate.
Thanks for all of your well wishes.
Thank you so much. You guys are so kind.
Yeah. So we will see you tomorrow at 7 p.m. Central Time.
Exactly.
Again, I'll comment in the link to this video.
Yeah.
Or a link to our exclusive group in this video, so you guys can watch that video if you haven't already.
Yeah, I'm in my PJs. Look at this.
Yeah,
I'm in my
not.
PJs, and just had Kayla switch out the ice pack and all that kind of fun stuff.
So, we're sorry. It's okay, though.
If I sit still, I'm okay.
So we're giving you lots of views of us this week, I guess. This is the second time you see us. So the first time was in our exclusive group. Now you're seeing us now in our beautiful faces in this rainbow filter.
Oh my God! Here
And then
she goes again.
stop. And then you'll see us tomorrow. Yay, right?
Oh my goodness!
And there's Andy.
Oh, there's my boy.
Hey, did you know that I have another sibling?
You do.
I do. Her name's Abby.
Her name is Abby. Yeah. Really, she does exist.
She does.
Never is around when...
No. Everybody, you guys are all so nice. They're saying take care of yourself.
You guys,
Wendy says she's been in your position before.
Oh, it's the worst.
She's walking around like an old woman holding her back.
Oh, Jesus, crazy.
So bad.
Usually when I get adjusted, it's okay. But yeah, the chiropractor said this is a doozy. It was compressed, and usually sometimes they're just switched.
Did you say how you did it?
I sneezed.
Yeah.
Really hard.
She sneezed really hard.
So then Kayla goes, which number?
Was it your first sneeze or your last sneeze?
Yeah, so usually I sneeze about 3 or 4 times when I sneeze. And I said, no, I only sneeze once.
Yeah, because the pain was so bad that her body was like, nope, not doing that again.
That's not happening.
It was Mom's special move.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Okay, everyone. Well, we will see you.
We're looking forward to seeing you guys
tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you so much.
And look for that comment. I'll post it here in like a second after we're done with this live, okay?
1 second? Are you sure? Maybe 2 or 3?
Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Just be safe. Don't get mad at me if it's more, but I'll do it right away, okay?
So funny.
So we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, you guys have a good one.
Yeah. Sleep good. We'll see you.
Bye.
Sweet dreams. Bye.